paano po kami. Ito na po ang second.
Uy! Tao na yan. Eh?
Boom!
Ayaw yan.
Yay! Wala dito. Ilang ano to? Mahaba-haba. Mahaba to. Mahaba siya. Yata, oo. Akit ulit siya. Ilang minutes kaya?
Hindi ko alam.
30.
Oh shit!
Kamusta?
Okay lang. Dapat mayroong hawakan dito eh.
Kamusta ka?
Uy, tama na. Okay naman. Ano yun? Hindi ka lang titingin sa baba.
Kaya mo?
Oo.
Sigurado ka?
Yes.
Tignan mo nga yun.
Wala tayong hawakan.
Where you come from?
Philippines.
Oh, Filipino?
Yes.
Oh, so speak English very fluently and eloquently.
Thank you, sir.
Oh.
I just came to visit him.
Eh?
I just came to visit him. I just 5 days tourist here.
He 5 days to tourist here. 5 days tourist here.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a little deaf.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah,
Too older to hear.
He is working here. He is working
Oh,
here. Yeah.
oh yes.
So,
He's scary. Yeah, Filipino.
Very famous of the Max President Max
Ferdinand Marcos.
Max.
What Max?
The president.
President.
Marcos.
Marcos.
Yeah, Marcos.
Yeah, Marcos.
Very famous.
Yeah. Very cool.
Very famous, yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
So we are neighbors. We are neighbor.
Yeah, yes. We're neighbor.
Dito lang ba tayo?
Or is it here?
Dito na tayo araw?
Or ano?
Is it okay here?
No. Just the middle.
Oh.
Middle.
Sine-check lang yata nila.
它南拖车哈，所以就比较快。
At sine-check lang nila kung may naihimatay, mga ganun. Or hindi kaya.
Oh.
Hindi nakaban yan? Bakit eh? Videoan mo?